Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, a few days back I was looking for some makeup brushes online. So I came across these 200 rupees Urban Decay makeup brushes, which is with the name of Naked 3, and they were really cheap guys. And not that I went for them because they were cheap, but they had amazing reviews. 337 people who bought the product gave it 4.5 stars out of 5, and it is a set of 12 brushes. So I thought of getting one for myself and review it for you guys. And also this video is going to include a demo of 4 major brushes I'll be using. And so for that we need to get into the video guys. And also, if you are in the Power of family yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and be a part of Beauty Squad. And let's get started guys. So guys, the first thing I want to be trying out is this foundation brush, and I'm going to take my foundation and start applying it just to see how well does it work. So let's see guys. So guys, this is the foundation brush, and I'll be taking a little bit of foundation and I'm using L'Oreal Paris Infallible in the shade Mild Honey. Let's apply it. I must say it does a pretty good job guys, and as you guys can see that it has covered the face pretty well, and it is doing its job properly, which I wasn't expecting it to do it. And it's so soft on the skin as well, and as you guys can see that it has given a sleek beautiful finish to my face. Now I am amazed with this one as well. This has worked pretty fine for me, and they are worth 206 rupees I spent, and I don't regret it at all. Here I'll be applying a lipstick by the Lakme 9 to 5 collection, and it is in the shade Rosy Sunday, and it's personally my favorite one. So let's see guys. This is pretty impressive as well, and this has given nice definition to the lip and the outline I wanted just to fill the lipstick in properly, and it has done its job pretty nice, and it has worth every penny guys. And the last thing I'm going to try out is for the eyeliner, and let's see how does that work. this product is, it gives you the value of money, even the more value of money, I would say. And this has worked pretty amazing for me, as you guys have seen, and you can even give it a try if you want to for yourself, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. And also, if you haven't followed me on my social media, link to which I'm going to leave in the description box below, just do follow me there. And if you aren't the part of family yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. And do let me know if you want me to do more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.